Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my knotless braids. I don't know if you guys have seen a video where I installed these braids, but it has been about 3 weeks and my scalp is a little bit dirty. You guys can see all of this dryness, product buildup, and my hair is super frizzy because of all of the new growth. So I'm going to try to see if I can refresh these braids without taking them down. I do want them to last for about another week or so. I'm going to cleanse my hair using African Pride's Co-Wash Conditioning Cleanser. This cleanser has no sulfates and it's paraben free. You don't get the normal suds that you would get with a shampoo. And so the only thing I'm going to be using this cleanser for is to remove my residue and my buildup, as you guys can see at the bottom over here. This co-wash and cleanser helps with that. So I'm going to start off by wetting my hair with water since I'm not going to be doing this in the shower. I'm just going to use the water to wet my hair so that I can add that co-wash and cleanser. I'm also going to get my hair that's braided up as well because I do want to make sure that's clean as well. Alright, so I already have a little bit of water inside of this bottle. I'm just going to add some of this co-wash and cleanser to this water. And then I'm going to shake it up and add it to my hair. I'm going to use this scalp massager / shampoo brush to work that product up in my hair, but I'm not going to go rough because I do not want my strands to start popping. So I'm just going to gently massage my scalp. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out and I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, so now this is what my scalp looks like now that I'm done washing it. It's all clean. I got rid of majority of the residue and buildup that you guys seen previously. I'm going to go ahead and follow up with this Manna Mood oil. I'm almost done with this, you guys. But I'm going to use whatever bit I have left and put it on my scalp. Not only am I going to put oil on my scalp, but I'm also going to put some Curl Enhancing Smoothie on the rest of my hair so that I can moisturize the braided portion. So now I'm going to use this Easy Edges to go ahead and slick down my hair. And then I'm going to use the comb to work all of that product in. So I have some Free Tress Water Wave here. I'm gonna go ahead and split this in half. You guys do not have to use this kind of hair. I just didn't have any more braiding hair this color left. But I went ahead and cut this in half. And then I'm gonna split this one into just a tiny little section. See? And pull that apart. Now I'm gonna use this crochet needle to feed it through the middle of my hair. Well, of that section. And I'm only going to pull one side through. Then I'm going to use one of these sides. Well, I'm gonna pinch everything together. Then I'm gonna use one of these sides to wrap around the root. Well, this is what my roots look like, you guys. Then I'm gonna combine these two together, just twist it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna take this crochet needle and feed it through the very first loop. Then I'm gonna feed that into the latch, close it, and pull it through. Do that 2 more times, and then I'm gonna knot it.